Imagine hitting the open road, miles from civilization, and still having ice-cold drinks or even frozen meals at your fingertips. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, the EUHOMY 12-volt refrigerator aims to make that dream a reality, promising a portable cooling solution that's as versatile as your adventures. This isn't just another cooler. It's a compact powerhouse designed to keep your provisions perfectly chilled or even frozen, no matter where you are. Right out of the box, the first thing that strikes you is its practical design. With a 23-quart capacity, which is about 21.7 liters, it offers a surprising amount of space for its portable footprint. Measuring just under 22.5 inches wide, 16 inches deep, and a little over 10 inches high, it's compact enough to fit comfortably in a car trunk, RV, or even tucked away on a boat. And with a built-in handle, moving it around is genuinely effortless. No more wrestling with heavy, melting ice chests. What truly sets this EUHOMY unit apart is its incredible adaptability. It comes equipped with both 110/240V AC and 1224V DC adapters, meaning you can power it from a standard wall outlet at home before you leave, or directly from your car, RV, or boat's power supply. This dual power capability is a game changer for anyone who loves camping, road trips, fishing, or just needs extra cold storage for outdoor events. You can literally take your kitchen fridge on the go. But how does it perform? This is where the EUHOMY really shines. It boasts a high-efficiency compressor that can rapidly cool down from a balmy 77 degrees Fahrenheit to a crisp 32 degrees Fahrenheit in a mere 15 minutes. That's seriously fast, ensuring your perishables are safe and sound almost immediately. It's UL certified for energy efficiency, which is a big plus, and offers two modes. An eco mode for energy savings, perfect for longer trips where battery life is crucial, and a max mode for when you need that rapid chill. And with an average energy consumption of just 45 watts, it's surprisingly gentle on your power source. The ability to adjust the temperature means it can function as either a refrigerator or a freezer, adapting to whatever your travel storage needs might be. Forget about constantly buying and draining ice. This unit eliminates that hassle entirely. Plus, the convenience of app control, as mentioned in its full name, adds a modern touch, allowing you to monitor and adjust settings right from your smartphone, a truly handy feature when you're lounging by the campfire. EUHOMY also backs this product with a 2-year technical support, which offers a good layer of peace of mind. It's clear they stand behind their product. The frost-free defrost system is another thoughtful addition, minimizing maintenance and keeping things running smoothly. Overall, the EUHOMY 12-volt refrigerator is a genuinely impressive piece of gear. It combines robust cooling performance with exceptional portability and versatility, making it an indispensable companion for anyone who spends time on the road or in the great outdoors. For adventurers, campers, or even just those needing reliable portable cooling, this unit truly delivers on its promises.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.